Well, I got to the north coast this morning and tried to do a bit of plugging for bass. And it's chopped up the wind terribly bad, and it's just not right conditions. The northerly direction chopped the sea up terribly, so it's cocked up all my ideas. So we're going to head over to the yeah. Well, I've got myself over to the south coast, and well, I got myself over to the south coast. Look at the which then followed by the reel, which you will recognise from the boat the other day, the Abu. What was it called there? So yeah. Well, the gear I'm using today is slightly different to what I was using out on the boat the other day. Hey! He's on, but he just interrupted me doing my gear and stuff, you know, so. Well, after the bad start over on the north coast with that horrible wind, got over here on the south, we managed to catch a few fish. A couple of no, not plates. Well, after a bad start over on the north coast with that terrible wind, we got over here on the south coast, down Rinsey, and we managed to bag a couple of fish. We got a few plates and a couple of turbots, so end of the day it didn't turn out too bad. So now we're going to head over to the south coast. No. Fuck! God! Today I've got myself back up onto the north coast. The wind has dropped a considerable amount from the other day. I'm joined with my dad, who's out there spinning already. He's got an extra 30 years on me, experience in fishing. Hopefully he'll help me. Well, I got myself back up to the north coast this morning. The conditions are absolutely perfect this morning for bass. I got myself back up to the north coast this morning. The wind has dropped a considerable amount from what it was the other day. God damn you!
Did you miss that?
Ah, no! What do I have to do, man? This is ridiculous! Oh, he's off.
Oh my god.
He's still there. Yeah, he's still there. Is it running, is it? Oh, it's not there. What? He was there. Oh, for sake. They must be tiny, man. For today's session, I couldn't be using a simpler rig if I tried. It's literally... For this rash fishing section... For this rash fishing section... For this rash... Well... It seems a bit of a shame to... waste all these ragworms, so somebody's got. Ah! He bit me again. Well, seems a bit of a shame to waste all these ragworm we got. The fish aren't eating them, so someone may as well eat them. Ah, not really. They're going back in the water.